Hi, Mark Mackenzie from Wardle Partners Accountants in Caloundra. In this little video, I just want to go through and explain the accelerated depreciation, the government incentive for investment that was recently announced. So this is different to the $150,000 immediate tax write-off for any asset purchase under $150,000. So let's step through it. Firstly, this provision the government's announced will actually extend for 15 months, so it'll go through until the 30th of June 2021. The $150,000 immediate write-off is only until the end of this financial year 2020. So let's give an example of what this looks like. It's accelerated depreciation, and how it's calculated is it's 50% of the asset purchase as a tax deduction, which is more depreciation deduction than would normally be allowed on equipment purchases. And then there's the normal, whatever the normal annual depreciation calculation would have been, that's also added using it being calculated on the balance. So let's step through an example. Let's say a business purchases a piece of equipment. Let's say it's a truck for $200,000. They'll be entitled to a 50% immediate depreciation deduction on that. So that's $100,000 deduction straight away. Then they're also entitled to the normal depreciation on the balance. So let's say they're part of the small business, they have a small business depreciation pool. So that means any new asset purchases are entitled to a 15% deduction in the first year. So the remaining $100,000 that's not depreciated, that would be entitled to another $15,000 depreciation deduction. So for that truck purchase, that business will be entitled to claim $115,000 in depreciation. I did the calculation and it works out effectively as 57.5% deduction on the purchase price. Of course, the following year, the remainder amount that hasn't been depreciated will be available to be depreciated at the normal rates going forward. So, this incentive is available for small businesses with turnovers up to $500 million. It extends through until the 30th of June 2021. So, coupled with the instant asset write-off, up to $150,000, there's certainly a lot of tax planning opportunities for business out there this year, especially if you're investing in new equipment and plant. If you're unsure how this works or how it's going to benefit you, please don't hesitate to contact us here at Wardle Partners. We're here to help, and we're starting to begin our tax planning for the 30th of June 2020 in any case. So we look forward to working with you. In the meantime, take care, and hopefully that's been a lot of benefit to you. Bye now.